G'day guys, we've got Ryan's 300 Series Cruiser here. This one's blacked out and it looks awesome. I'm going to give you a bit of a breakdown and run you through some of the gear we've fitted on this vehicle, and I'll start with the ARB Summit bar. This is the ARB Summit Mark II. So it's a little bit different to most of the Summit bars you would have seen from ARB. We've got the different grille design, we've got the different lighting in here as well. Still going to incorporate all of your factory items such as park sensors and cameras. Still going to have aerial tabs, provision for spotlights and winch compatible as well. On this one, Ryan has color coded it to the vehicle. Often on a black car, people will just go with the standard black powder coat, but Ryan has color coded it to match it in and make it really look like part of the car. We've got a pair of Light Force spotties up the front here, and underneath to work with the ARB bar, we've got the ARB rated recovery points and under vehicle protection. The recovery points are the new version from ARB. They've got a beveled edge which makes them compatible with the soft shackles, and you're not going to tear that shackle or damage it. The under vehicle protection gives us really good protection right from the engine all the way back to the back of the transmission. So you're going to protect the radiator, the engine, the sump, the driveline, and most importantly all of the wiring. These modern cars have a lot of wires, plugs and sensors underneath, and if you tear one of those off on a rock, you can be stranded. So the UVP is a great peace of mind to know you've got the bottom of your car protected and covered. We've got some wheels and tyres here. Ryan's gone with the Method 305 and the BF Goodrich KO2. This is the double black, so rather than just the black wheel, we've also got the black lip bolts as well to really black it out. Underneath, Ryan's got the old Man Emu BP-51 suspension. So coilovers in the front, shocks and springs in the rear. The BP-51 is a remote reservoir shock. It's got separate rebound and compression adjustment, and it also has internal bypass as well. I'll open up the back and I'll show you the draw system. So Ryan's gone with something a little bit different to the standard fitment most people go with. We've got the lower drawers rather than the full height drawer. This allows us to get more cargo space. It's a bit easier to get in and out with your gear so that you're not lifting it up so high, but you've still got some usable storage underneath, whether it be for tools, camping equipment, sporting goods or whatever you want to carry. This one does also have two pull-out tops, so anything you need to get from the back, rather than having to reach over, we can just slide them out. And obviously a little bit of storage down the sides as well. That's about all for this one. It looks really good being fully blacked out, and some really practical accessories that are going to do what Ryan needs them to do. If you've enjoyed this video, or if you'd like to see some more fit outs, make sure you like the video, turn on the notifications and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're looking for a build on your 300 Series or any other 4x4, feel free to get in touch with our sales team via phone, email or in store, or alternatively, you can jump on our website and have a look. Thanks for watching.